Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're gonna continue installing the rear carrier bearing and the output gear, which is this bad boy right here. So in the last video I had to make my own tool, which is this bad boy, to actually torque the output gear bolt, which is 200 foot-pounds. So I had to actually make my own tool for it. So here it is. Instead of buying one, here it is. Anyway, now we're gonna turn this bad boy around, put the output gear on, put the a little shim that goes on it, and then we're gonna start tightening. All right, so let's start doing it. First thing first, we're gonna put a lot of this ATF fluid on this bearing. Shim as well. And we're gonna put this from inside. There it is. Now we have the output shaft gear. Lubricate that too, and we're gonna leave that aside while we turn this whole assembly upside down. The little shim, which is this thing, we're gonna get that ready, clean it, and that goes right there. And now we have this part holding it. Right. And then so we'll get the bolt. This bolt needs to be cleaned over here. The reason why I'm cleaning it, because of there was a thread locker on it, so we're gonna put some more on there right now. All right, that should be good. I gotta get some more of this. Anyway, there's a washer. Goes like that. And then the screws on there. we're gonna get, of course, a socket, which is 38mm. Clean it really good. Don't want no dirt on there. Goes like that. This bad boy that we made, also clean it really good. One, no. All right, now we're gonna get our breaker bar, which is rated for but this bad boy is, so we are 150 right there. We're gonna need this baby right here, like extension. It's going in. All right, so it's installed. There's no end play, like whatsoever. That's good. The rest is to install this one now, which is gonna be probably in the next video. And then we're gonna start going inside and doing the clutches and the other stuff that needs to be done. So yeah, guys, that was a kind of short video, but we're gonna continue in next episode, of course. Please stay tuned for that. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and stay safe, guys. Laters.